How many times have you tried tracking your past buyers' job changes using different tools, only to end up with unsynced data, delayed alerts, and so-called real-time updates that show up days late? Well, choosing the right job tracking tool isn't about picking the most expensive one. If it can't accurately detect job changes in real time and help you re-engage warm leads quickly, then you're really just wasting your time and money. And that can seriously hurt your pipeline and your budget. And not only that, it risks damaging your brand, disrupting your workflow, and costing you progress for months. But don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through the top 5 job change tracking tools so that you never miss an opportunity again. Whether you're a solopreneur, a startup, running a mid-sized agency, or part of a large enterprise, this video will save you so much time and money, and it'll help you choose the right job change tracking tool for your company. So here's what we'll compare for each platform. We'll look at job change detection accuracy, CRM and tool integrations, real-time alert functionality, and the pricing and value for the money. So let's get right into it. The first one is Wiza Monitor, the job tracking tool from Wiza. And yes, this is our own tool, but here's why I absolutely recommend it. Wiza Monitor detects job changes in real time and makes sure your team can act right away. It shows you how many contacts are being tracked, flags job title and company changes, and pulls fresh data from LinkedIn and your CRM. Alerts are delivered instantly via email or Slack, keeping your sales team in the loop. To get started, all you have to do is upload a CSV file of all your contacts with their email addresses or LinkedIn URLs, or just sync directly with your CRM. It integrates smoothly with platforms like Salesforce, HubSpot, Pipedrive, and more. Contacts update automatically, which saves you time and makes sure that your data is always clean. And Wiza lets you tag and organize your contacts for easy filtering and follow-ups. You can also choose between Slack alerts for real-time updates or receive a weekly email summary with all of the changes. Now, what really sets Wiza apart here is the pricing, as you'll see later on in this video. Plans start at just $99 per month, and there's also a free version available if you want to test it out today. Now, if you'd like to see it in action, click the link in the description to try it out for free, or if you'd like, there's also a video link in the description to watch a full demo video. Next up is LinkedIn Sales Navigator. While it does offer job change alerts, it's not built specifically for job tracking per se. And unfortunately, most of the process is manual. You'll need to individually save each lead in order to get alerts, which makes it extremely time-consuming for anyone managing large lead lists. Now, even worse, alerts are not always delivered on time. That means that your team could miss key moments when a warm lead moves into a new buying position. And unless you're on an advanced plan, integrations with your CRM is limited or non-existent. You may need to use extra tools or do manual syncing just to keep your CRM updated. And just like Wiza, the pricing starts at $99 per month, which is high given the amount of manual work still involved. So while Sales Navigator can help, it's really best for those who have time to spare and a bigger budget to back it up. Now let's take a look at the next tool, which is Champify. Champify is more of a premium tool designed for large sales teams and enterprises. It does automatically monitor job changes, and it alerts your team when contacts switch roles or companies so you can quickly engage them. However, its integrations is a major limitation. Champify only offers deep native integration with Salesforce. It doesn't support other CRMs like HubSpot, Pipedrive, or any others, which means that many teams will be left out here. Now, that being said, Champify does offer instant notifications. As soon as a contact changes jobs or companies, your team is alerted to take the next step. But unfortunately, the pricing is pretty steep. Champify starts at $1,250 per month, making it one of the most expensive tools on this list. So if you're using Salesforce specifically and you have the budget, it's powerful. Otherwise, it might not be the right fit for you. Next up is UserGems, another high-end solution built for B2B sales teams. UserGems tracks job changes by monitoring LinkedIn and public data sources, identifying past buyers who move into new roles. It automatically updates contact details in your CRM, typically on a weekly or monthly basis, depending on your plan, and the platform integrates with Salesforce and other major CRMs, allowing you to filter by high priority leads based on AI signals and engagement data. Job change alerts are usually sent every Monday via Slack, email, CRM tasks, or contact updates. However, that slower cadence of updates might actually delay your outreach timing, making it not ideal. And the pricing also starts at $1,250 per month, which makes it best suited for mid-size to large teams with plenty of budget. Okay, next on the list is Lantern. Lantern offers AI-powered job change tracking that automatically detects when a past buyer switches companies or roles, just like all these other tools. Your team will receive notifications so you can follow up quickly. And it integrates well with other CRMs like Salesforce, HubSpot, as well as outreach tools like Apollo or Outreach. And what's good about this is it enables automatic syncing and streamlined workflows. Lantern will send you real-time alerts when job changes are detected. Now, unlike some other tools here, these alerts are delivered instantly rather than on a fixed schedule. However, there are limitations. Lantern relies heavily on the accuracy of your existing data. If your contact records are incomplete or outdated, it might actually miss some key job changes. And while Lantern tells you when someone changes jobs, it doesn't automate the follow-ups. So you'll need to manually message them or integrate with additional tools to handle that outreach. So while it's affordable and lightweight, it actually lacks the full functionality of some of the more robust platforms mentioned earlier. So let's take a step back here. Which job tracking tool is right for you? Well, if you want a great mix of value, real-time accuracy, and easy setup, then Wiza Monitor is the best choice overall. And not just because this is our channel. I'll tell you why. You get reliable job detection, real-time alerts, full CRM integration, and plans that scale with your needs. Plans just start at $99 per month with a free version to get started today. So if you want to see how Wiza Monitor works, go to the link in the description to try it out completely for free. Or if you want to learn more, you can watch this video to see a full demo of how Wiza Monitor might be able to fit into your workflow. Have a magical day, and I'll see you in the next video.